three AI tools that can compete with Midjourney. First tool that I'm really surprised how good it is and how many capabilities it has is leonardo.ai, and the next one is playgroundai, and the third one is lexica.art. Okay, so I'm gonna start with the best one, which I think out of all of the three, think Leonardo is the best. But also, you're getting pretty good results with Playground AI as well, and Lexica. It's also very good as well. Here, you don't have a lot of options, but you're getting pretty good results when you describe your image. And Playground, you have here some more options. Here we have image dimensions, model. The second one is paid, but the first one works fine. Prompt guidance, quality and details, seed, number of images, and private session. We also can here write our prompt, image to image, and remove from image. That's all we have. But leonardo.ai has more options. You can do much more. So, for instance, you can use different fine-tuned models. At the same time, you also can train your own model. And here, let's say I like to use this one, Leonardo Creative. Click on there, and now you can from here create your image, right? And here, what I like is that you have a lot of options. First of all, you have fine-tuned models. As I said, you have Stable Diffusion 2.1, Stable Diffusion 1.5, Leonardo Signature, Leonardo Select, and Leonardo Creative. You also have Select Custom Model. And here you have your models, favorite models, platform models, and community models, right? And work very well. And you have a lot of options. Also, after you generate the image, you can download the image, you can unzoom image, you can also remove background and upscale image. I think that can help you a lot. And at the same time, there's another option here. It's called prompt generation. I think it's very useful. Let's say maybe you don't have many ideas, you aren't very inspired to create a prompt. You can see let's say you're looking for a car. You can write here a car and click on ideas, and this AI will give you some ideas, generating new prompt ideas for a car. As you can hear here, we have 4 options. I'm gonna click on generate, the 4th option here, and you see here now this image. It's being generated from this prompt that we didn't even create. We didn't come up with this prompt, but that's what I like about Leonardo. You also have guidance, scale, step count, image to image, and image to prompt. You also have prompt magic. Sometimes works, gives you different results, but it seems like good, in a good sense, good results. And we also can try stable diffusion, and as I said, you have fine-tuned model. So I think Leonardo AI, it's a very good AI compared with Midjourney. Midjourney is paid, and this one is free. And on top of that, you also, as I said, you have a lot of options here, and you also have good results. You also have really good results. I can't complain. Like, it's pretty good. I'd like you guys to know, leave in the comments section your thoughts, your opinions about this AIs that I have here. Yeah, I would really like to hear your thoughts. And we can also try here prompt magic, click on generate, and you can also try Stable Diffusion 2.1. Click on generate again, and don't forget you also have image to image. Let's pause the video, then we'll see the results. I also remembered, if you're looking for a prompt helper, Midjourney helper, it's pretty good. It's not only for Midjourney, I mean, you can use it for Leonardo as well. You can select here style, lighting, artist, and you can then remove some parts from here. Like you don't need the version 4. That's for Midjourney, right? Say maybe you need light, you can add light here in maybe this tool will help you. And also this website, if you're looking for some inspirations for prompt inspiration, there's tons of options here. You have a lot of inspiration here. And as you can see here, the results using Leonardo Creative, we got some pretty good results. But if you choose Stable Diffusion 2.1, the results will vary, but at the same time still respecting our prompt. So I think Leonardo, you have a lot of options here, and you should give it a try. You should try this, and I really want to know your opinions, okay, your thoughts on this AI. And you also have AI Canvas. This is pretty useful. This can help you. Let's say maybe you can you already have this where you can go to image, or you can click on some of these images, and you can download or copy this prompt, and can remove background. Thousand different options. That's really good. And you also have AI image generation, and AI canvas. Both of these you can try. You can simply here write a prompt. You have an image side of this square. You can change what's inside the square basically. So that's very useful as well. So yeah, guys, that's the end of the video. Don't want to make it, this video is already so long, but I hope you learned something. I hope this video helped you. Don't hesitate to leave your thoughts in the comment section, and thank you for watching, and take care.